कोगिलू में तोड़फोड़ की मुहिम से बेघर हुए लोगों के पुनर्वास पर बीजेपी विधायक अरविंद बेल्लाड कहते हैं, कोगिलू में तोड़ी गई जगह पर जमीन के रिकॉर्ड और मालिकाना हक के दस्तावेज देने का सरकार का फैसला पूरी तरह से नामंजूर है। सरकार खुद ही अवैध कब्जा करने वालों को जमीन का मालिकाना हक देने की कोशिश कर रही है। उनमें से कई लोग कर्नाटक के नहीं है, वे बांग्लादेश, और यह सरकारी मशीनरी और उस ताकत का पूरी तरह से गलत इस्तेमाल है जो कर्नाटक की जनता ने आपको सौंपी है। सरकार एक बहुत ही गलत मिसाल कायम कर रही है।
People of Karnataka have vested on you. People of Karnataka have not given you huge majority in order to take care of Bangladeshi Muslims. They want you to take care of people of Karnataka. This land, this water, and this air, this asset belongs to people of Karnataka. This doesn't belong to Bangladeshis. The act of Congress government, act of Sidramaya in wooing Muslims, it is reaching newer heights. I think it is absolutely wrong move by government. It is setting a very wrong precedent.
So how do you see Congress doing their politics? Most of the senior MLAs, they are also demanding for the ministerial post, and who are the new MLAs, they are also demanding for the ministerial post. How do you see this tussle in the Congress?
See, like everybody knows in the state that Congress is a divided house. There is no single leader, there is no single agenda of development for them. The only thing they are looking at is corruption and the power. So that's why all these different factions are working in different directions. The newly elected MLAs, they have formed an association, they have formed a group and putting pressure on government to give them birth. Similarly, there is a DK Shivkumar group, there is a Sidramaya group, there is a Venugopal group, there is a Surjiwala group. So different groups have emerged. So their only interest is to loot the state and not worry about they are just not interested in doing any developmental work.